Welcome to Prabhu K.B's YouTube channel. I am the CEO Managing Partner of Fibonacci LLP. Fibonacci LLP, this is our logo. Rising Roaring Bull. We are wealth enablers. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, helping clients devise their investment strategies through our technology products, solutions and innovative investment strategies. In every video, we will be discussing what happened, why it happened, what will happen, when and why it will happen. Before we go into today's video, today is January 11, 2022, Tuesday. In this we will be discussing about market performance for this day. Before that, I want to say one thing. On Sunday morning, we put a video on global markets, US markets and FTSE. If one recollects, we had very clearly told that while Dow and S&P will fall on Monday, Nasdaq will go up. Precisely that is what had happened. In fact, Nasdaq fell, but it formed a kind of a long lower leg but a solid green candle, so which means it is a complete reversal, third reversal it has formed. Hence the kind of training that we impart is going to help an investor or anyone to gain excellent knowledge. With that, let's go into today's video. Bank Nifty today, both Bank Nifty and Nifty remained flat. Bank Nifty at 38,442, 0.2% up, Nifty at 18,055.80. So both continued this uptrend. There is nothing much to say, excepting that banking, all the stocks remained flat. As we said, excess is close to yesterday. Excess is close to 150-day moving average, and I expect it to be taken out in the next 2 days, probably tomorrow itself. On the financial front, Chola jumped up by 3%, HDFC by 2%, which HDFC continued its yesterday's up move, and LIC, Manappuram, Muthoot, everything fell anywhere from 1 to 3%, 1.3%. M&M Finance jumped up by 0.9%. However, long-term M&M Finance looks weak. On the insurance and cards front, HDFC Life fell by 0.7%, while ICICI General and Pru fell by 1%. SBI Cards fell by 2%. SBI Life remained flat. Oil and Telecom, Bharti and Reliance remained flat. On the IT, Birlasoft, Infi, Mindtree, Emphasis and Wipro remained flat, while LTA, LTTS, TCS Techcam jumped up by more than 0.9%, Coforge by 3.3%, HCL Tech by 4.3% and Apple by 6%. Here, Infi yesterday had a big up move, after which today it formed a doji star, which means normally when a trend is beginning and after which a doji happens, the next day it will be in the same direction in which it is moving, and particularly if it opens gap up. So tomorrow if Infi opens gap up, we can expect Infi to move up further. HCL Tech made a significant up move today. With these, at least Infi and HCL has made a reversal. I expect the same reversal. They were going down, now they are reversed, and probably in the short term also it will become a buy for investors. LTA and LTTS also will reverse tomorrow. That is what we expect. On the consumer goods front, DMart fell by 2.8%, second day of fall. PVR jumped up by 3.5%, which showed a strong up move. In fact, we have been repeatedly telling PVR is in a strong up move. Many people are going short in it and getting trapped. We have been cautioning people not to mix fundamental and technical. Trent jumped up by 4.4%, and which has a strong up move. Bata, Berger up move is intact. Berger again, it is floating around the 200-day moving average. As I said, once it takes out that, probably 1 to 150-day also it will take out, and then you can see a big up move there. Bata also we can expect a big up move, probably another 3 to 5% up move from here in the short term. On the auto, Motherson jumped up by 4.7%, TVS fell by 1.1%, while all others remained flat. Metals, all the metals are fell today, with some of the metals remaining weak, which you have indicated earlier. Coal, Hindalco fell by 1%, NMDC and Vedanta remained more than 2%, while JSW, National Aluminium, Tata Steel fell by 3%, SAIL by 4.9% and Jindal Steel by 5%. In fact, Hindalco and National Aluminium are only, and apart from that, Vedanta looks okay in this, because they are above all the moving averages, whereas all others, including Jindal Steel, which was looking strong, now is below all the moving averages. In fact, it fell 5% today. Hindalco is okay, as I said. Tata Steel, we said that it has to cross 200-day moving average. It is not able to cross, and it is going to fall in a big way. On the pharma and healthcare, Apollo Hospital, Cipla, Dr. Reddy and Sun Pharma remained flat, while Metropolis and Thyrocare fell by 1%. Divi's jumped up by 1%. Overall, this segment is also looking weak. On the others, Adani Group jumped up significantly with Adani Enterprise 5%, Adani Ports by 3%, while DLF, IEX, UPL, Zomato and Jubilant Food remained flat. More than 1% fall we saw in IndiaMart, Indigo, IRCTC, MCX, Polycab. Though all these things fell, Polycab and others look strong in a long-term trend, which we had indicated on our Sunday's video. With all these things, what do we expect for Bank Nifty and Nifty for the option expiry, which happens on Thursday? Bank Nifty should be in the range of 37,490.20, above it, that is, which is the last week's close, and the upper level should be 38,690.92, which is nothing but Fibonacci 61.8 retracement in the daily chart. I don't expect this to close above it on Thursday. Nifty on the other hand, 17,745.90, which is last week's close, that will act as a strong support, should close above that, or even 17,883.18, which is the daily Fibonacci 61.8, it should close above that, and on the upper side it is 18,188.79. With this, we thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. As always, disclaimer, the objective of this video is only for training and educational purpose. Please discuss with your investment advisor before making any investment decision. Thank you.